Hey guys, you've tuned into Money Control. I'm Manisha Gupta, and we're going to talk about cotton prices today because there has been such a huge movement in this year itself into the prices, not just in India but in major other global markets as well. It was this year that we saw an all-time high of 50,000 rupees per bale in the Indian markets. The international markets saw an 11-year highs of $157. But if you look at the Indian markets right now, we've come down from that 50,000 to nearly 36 to 37,000 rupees there. So it has been a considerable decline. 25 to 27% of a cut is what we've seen in case of the cotton prices there. Well, interestingly, the high cotton prices, because it's a raw material, did lead to the textile industry is going through a lot of problem. Nearly 1,500 to 2,000 textile industries, the smaller one actually got shut as well, and many other textile industries or other companies had to cut capacity anywhere between 30 to 50%. But things seem to be stabilizing right now, and that is because the cotton prices one have come down, and second, when you look at the sowing of cotton in India, that is gained up by nearly 8%. So last year was 11.7 million hectares, and this time around is 12.6 million hectares, which is an 8% of an increase. Also, when you look at the kind of crop projections that are being made, last year we had a crop of 315 lakh bales. This year the projection for is about 350 lakh bales. But the only thing is that the international markets do not have enough cotton. So when you look at the floods in Pakistan, that has damaged the crop there. There also is lower production of cotton this time around in US and China. So the international prices have been holding up because of that. But the Indian prices are at a premium even after this correction. So we still are around 8 to 12% higher than international markets, and that is making our exports incompetitive. The other point to watch is that even as we are looking at a good crop, and all the 10 Indian states which actually do cotton are looking at a better crop, better scenario this time around, the harvest will only come in after at around mid-October. So until then, the expectation is that we are looking at like lower cotton prices. Once the harvest starts coming into the market, you could be looking at some more decline into the markets. So as of now, there is lower cotton prices expectation, which is a good news for these textile industry, which is good news for textile industry. Although also in the sense that we are into a festival season, which will soon be turning into a wedding season as well. So there is good demand expectations there. So when you look at the cotton as a raw material, the prices have seen a decline. When you look at textile industry as a sector, it is good days for them as well because the raw material is cheaper, the demand from festivals is coming in. So these are buying opportunities really in all of those consumer goods as we enter into the last quarter of this year. This is the time that you see demand for many of the consumer products actually continue to increase. The only thing that you will want to keep an eye on is on the how international weather continues to be, whether or not India will be able to export. If that happens, then you will see the cotton prices gain up. But for the near term, for the next 3 or 4 months, cotton prices are expected to be in control, which is good news for textile companies going forward.